Hello everyone, I am Kavita from Decides Academy. Hope you all are doing good during this hour of crisis. Stay safe. The reason I am here is to see if I can make maths interesting for you all through small tricks. Yes, there are tricks that can make maths easy and interesting. So, let me touch base on a small topic today, square of two-digit number in a simple way. Before that, I want to ask you, what do you mean by square of a number? When we multiply a number by itself, then the outcome is known as the square of that number. For example, 1 square is 1 ones are 1, 2 square is 2 twos are 4, 3 square is 3 threes are 9. So, that gives you a basic idea about what square is. Let me now ask you to find and tell me the square of slightly higher number. Let's take 76. I am sure you are going to use pen, paper and calculate using the usual method. Stop. Let's do it in a different way this time. How? Listen carefully. There are two scenarios. Scenario 1, two-digit numbers ending with 5 like 15, 25, 35, etc. For example, let's find out the square of 65. I'll explain it step by step to make it easy. First, write the next number after 6, that is 7. Now we multiply 6 with 7, that is 6 sevens are 42. Next, consider the second digit, which in this case is 5. Take the square of 5, that is 25, which can be remembered easily. Write this 25 next to 42. You get the answer as 4225. You can follow these steps for all the two-digit numbers ending with 5. To make it even simpler in this scenario, the last two digit of the answer will be always 25. So you just need to multiply the other number, that is 6 here, with the one that follows it, that is 7, and write 25 next to it. Now let's talk about the second scenario, where the two-digit numbers does not end with 5. Here the procedure differs slightly from first scenario. Let me take an example here to 46. Again, I will go step by step. First, write 4 and 6 separately. Second, take the square of 4, that is 16, and the square of 6, that is 36. Now we come back to number 46. Multiply 4 and 6, that is 4 6 are 24. Again multiply 24 by 2, that is equal to 48. Write this 48 below 1636, leaving the ones place digit. Always leave the ones place as shown in the screen. Now we add this up and the result is the square of 46. Let's look at one more example, square of 32. First write 3 and 2 separately. Second, square of 3 is 9. We write it as 09 to make it two digit. Similarly, we write the square of 2 as 04. So we write this as 0904. Now we come back to number 32. Then multiply 3 and 2, that is 6. Again multiply 6 by 2, that's equal to 12. Write this 12 below 0904, leaving the ones place digit. Now add this up and the result is the square of 32. Hope this was helpful and easy. So next time when you want to find the square of any two-digit number, try these simple tricks. Before I wind up this small session, I would like to tell you that the above method can be used in any of the competitive exams and you can outperform others. Wish you all a happy day, stay safe and follow social distancing. This is Kavita from DCS Academy signing off.